So first of all, greeting to our lecturer Bong Amata, and my name is Sin Suk Lin. So today I'm going to do the presentation about our project, which the problem that we work on is the parking problem in our university. So as you can see here, this is our team member, and moving on to the first point, which the story behind the project. So, what inspired you to work on this topic? So, basically, currently our university has two areas, which is an under building parking lot and the outdoor parking lot. But the outdoor parking lot does not have the rules, so it's become very hot during the day. And because of this, most of the students prefer to park inside the building. However, the indoor parking lot space is limited, so it cannot accommodate all cars and motorcycles. And this causes to congestion, stress, and difficulty when the student try to find a parking lot. And because of this situation, a group decided to focus on this problem and find a practical solution. Moving on to number two, what you discover. So to understand the problem better, we conducted a survey and talked to the students who drive cars and motorcycles as well. We discovered that most students avoid the outdoor parking area for three main reasons, basically. So the first one is it is too hot. Second is their vehicle are exposed to the sunlight and rain. And also the last one is they are worried about the vehicle damage. Yeah, and so because of this reason, many students compete for the limited indoor parking spaces. This create congestion and make the lot and make the parking more difficult. And so from our survey, many students said that if the outdoor parking area had a roof, they would be willing to park outside. And so this showed that the main problem is not about the space, but it's about the comfort and the protection. Okay, so moving on to number three is what's your solution? So after I found out about the problem, I and our team have come up with several solutions, but uh, at the end, we decided to build a roof structure over the outdoor parking area. So in our prototype, as you can see in the main feature, the outdoor parking area is covered with a strong metal roof, as you can see right here. Yeah, and the roof protects the car and motorcycle from the sunlight and the rain. So the parking spaces are clearly and organized, and there is the proper spacing for both car and motorbike as well. And we choose this solution because it is more affordable than expanding the building, of course. And second is it uses the existing space more efficiently, and it directly solves the main problem, which is the heat. So students who avoid outdoor parking will now feel comfortable parking outside. And this will reduce congestion inside the building, and the parking flow will become more balanced. And the key benefits are less stress when finding parking, protection from weather, better space distribution, and also a better campus environment. Moving on to number four is results and feedbacks. So after showing our prototype to students, and we received a pretty positive feedback. Yeah, most students said that they would park outside if there was a roof, and they confirmed that the heat is the main reason they avoid outdoor parking. And some also suggest that we could add the ventilation and proper lighting. And yeah, we found out that this feedback showed that our solution matched the real needs of our users. And so if we could improve our prototype in the future, we would add add a solar panels on the top of the roof, improve the drainage system of rain, and add a clear signage and parking lines. Yeah. as well as the last point is the reflections. So one challenge that we faced was understanding that why students avoid outdoor parking. At first, we thought that the problem was only about the space, but after redoing the survey, we realized that comfort was the real issue. Yeah, and this helped us create a better solution. From this experience, we learned that listening to users is very important before proposing a solution. So if we could do this project again, we would collect more data and calculate the cost more clearly to make sure that our proposal is strong. So this has come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening and paying attention.